My name is Ronnie Jones. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. And I passed my 107 2 months ago, and I'm so proud. And my wife and I, she already know that my next step is the drone business, but I had no clue about business. So we sat down and we got on the internet and we were looking around at different courses. And we ran into this one here. And we was reading the brochures and everything, and it really captured me because I said, that's the course there that's for me. And it's right for you because the way they break everything down so practical and giving you the how-tos. And that's the key. How do I do this? How do I take it to the next step as far as a business and creating a business and starting a business? The scary part for me was starting a business. I have no clue. But these guys, when they came on, when Dago came, the drone boss and Mrs. Drone Boss Gina, you guys been awesome. You made it so practical. Anyone that can get in and just go from there and just learn. Not only did you brought me the information that I need, but you also bring me the confidence that I can take that information and implement it into a job, making money with drones. This course here been awesome. More than it just blew me away. I'll put it plainly. It blew me away. So if you're thinking about taking this course, man, I say take it. Take it, take it, take it, take it. I mean, the teaching is so practical and they're going through all the steps that I had questions to. I had questions. I had tons of questions. And believe it or not, they answer every question that I had and more. And then not only that, but I had questions from what they said because it really got me to thinking, got the juices going and flowing. And how do I handle business and how to take care of my customers? And not only that, but I also found my niche and what I want to do with this drone. I want to do roofing. I want to do video photography. I'm already a photographer and I'm technically bound right now, but I'm a computer technician. So I love learning. I love finding new ways to solve a problem. And that's what I do. I work the help desk. I solve problems, and that's what I want to do for my customers. But not only that, but I get to play and get paid to do it this time, and and I'm looking forward to it. So if you're thinking about taking this course, think no more.